Barack Obama stepping out of private life with a now very public critique of his successor's pandemic performance.
It has been an absolute chaotic disaster.
That scorching assessment came during a Friday night phone conference with about 3,000 members of the Obama Alumni Association to encourage them to get active helping Joe Biden's candidacy. In the recording obtained by Yahoo News, Obama described coronavirus response through a larger political lens.
Being selfish, being tribal, being divided, it's part of the reason why the response to this global crisis has been so anemic and spotty.
Tonight, the White House responded. There has been bipartisan recognition of President Trump's leadership, and the American people have taken notice. For the Trump team, the crisis is more personal. 2 staff members tested positive for the virus.
So she tested positive out of the blue.
Including Katie Miller, press secretary to the vice president.
They've taken all of the necessary precautions. I understand Mike has been tested, vice president, and he tested negative.
Stepped up precautions include deep cleaning of West Wing workspaces, separate lecterns to keep the president at a social distance, and daily testing for all seniors. And after a military valet who assists the president tested positive Thursday, the chief of staff says masks will sometimes be used.
And as it gets close to the president, some of those that serve him will wear a mask in those closer proximities.
And Kelly, there's a visible difference now among the Secret Service.
Jose, for the first time tonight since this crisis began, I witnessed members of the president's Secret Service detail in masks. That's a new thing. And there were also members of the U.S. military and uniformed officers also wearing masks while they were posted inside and outside the cabinet room where the president held a national security meeting. Those other principals in the meeting with him were not wearing masks, and many other staffers on the grounds do not as well.